LearnWorlds Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. LearnWorlds is a feature-rich platform designed for educators, trainers, and businesses looking to create and deliver professional skill certification programs. It stands out with tools that make building interactive courses and issuing certifications easy and efficient. With its drag-and-drop course builder, you can create video-based lessons, quizzes, and assignments without technical expertise. The platform also supports branded certificates, allowing you to customize them to align with your organization's standards. LearnWorlds offers advanced features like interactive videos, SCORM compliance, and gamification, making it ideal for engaging learners and improving course outcomes. The built-in analytics and reporting tools help track learner progress and certification completion, giving you full visibility into your program's performance. Additionally, integrations with payment gateways, email marketing tools, and CRM systems streamline administrative tasks and allow for a seamless user experience. The platform is designed for educators, corporate trainers, and businesses wanting to provide professional development or monetize their expertise. Whether you're running a small coaching program or a large-scale certification course, LearnWorlds offers scalability to match your growth. Customer feedback often highlights the platform's user-friendly interface, robust support, and flexibility in creating personalized learning experiences. While it's slightly pricier compared to simpler alternatives, its comprehensive features make it a worthwhile investment for serious educators and businesses. Overall, LearnWorlds is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create professional-grade skill certification programs. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know your thoughts or experiences with the platform in the comments below.